Khongwir nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Usembut Menteri Rangba berim ke Jylla baru MLA bermenchua ke Maulai konstituensi ba Standington di Khongwir. Ulah klan no ke step jong ke arhui terik unai wing ha negrims mau diang. Ba standing ulah long komu MLA ke Maulai hadu arhusan senem kenti. Baru ulah syakri ru komu orang ba senang ke Maulai nong lum hadu sanhusan senem. Ulah long teng ru komu presiden ke Maulai tahun dobar. Hagi senem ki bermenchua ulah long ru Uwei neki rang ni lek kai football. Pawkhmat bha. Habaya keran bigila pathai kubor mentaka sengi ke arpui terik unai wing arajar arpulai Menteri Rangba kondat ke sangma ulapan pau ke jing sngosi haluar ke jing klat no uba Khongwir naba ude Riew bala no senyang shibon ki kam ya ke Maulai konstituensi bat ya ke Jylla hi berok ke wei ha ke juk kopor Menteri Rangba ulai thuru ba uba Khongwir ude uba barok ki Riew ki sngotenat bat ki iet bat wat hadu bau klam nong shu MLA ru Riew dang yai peni ke jing kershan ya u bat kani ke peni shisha bau de Riew bala le shibun ki kam babha nak mentah ki pat ba.
We are deeply saddened by the demise of late ST Khongwir, and we all know him as a very senior and a person who has contributed immensely to his constituency, to the state as a whole. And he has been known as a person who's been really loved by the masses, and it was reflected in the kind of support he continued even after he was not an MLA. Even then the support that he saw, the love he saw from the people just simply reflected the kind of leader he was, the kind of love that people had for him. So definitely we will all miss him. I also have had the opportunity to interact and meet and work with him in the past. Even as a Rangbashnong, we had, when he was the Rangbashnong, we had multiple meetings. So I really had a lot of chance to learn from him and to interact with him and discuss so many things. And I remember meeting him last, just before the elections. And it was a great opportunity. I'm happy I got the opportunity to meet him. So at this point, I do express my deepest condolences to the bereaved family, and I pray to Almighty that his soul may rest in peace and give strength to the family so that they can bear this loss that they had.